Hello, in this video I want to show you how to move over terrain in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this, I'll be moving those Stormcast Eternals, and let's say that our logo right here is the terrain. And there's a few things that we need to consider. First, measure the height of the terrain feature that you want to move through. If the terrain feature is 1 inch high and not any higher, that means you can freely move those units up like after it, but you need to of course measure the specific distance from the end of the base till another end of the base of movement for that unit. And that is basically how you move through the terrain. And in case the terrain feature, let's say that it's much bigger, you can stack those dices on it, and it's bigger than 1 inch, that means we need to also measure the vertical distance, then the distance along the way, and again vertical distance. That would be if you can't finish the movement, for example, there would be 3 inches right here, then 2 inches right here, then again 3 inches down. That means you can't finish the movement phase and you can't get through that obstacle, and you would need to make something like a run order. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.